Good morning everyone, this is Nilanchana Mera. Hope you all are good, and today we will be making a pastel sheets paper flower. Material required are: in step 1 I am just cutting different sizes of circle in ascending order just to create the layers in the flower. For the purpose I am just folding it from the center, like 2 folds I am giving, and I will divide the entire sheet in the form of petals. They all will be moving towards the center. Children, you can mark the petal shape whatever form you want it, maybe a pointed or a round shape. When we divide the sheet with folds and then give the shape of the petals and cut it, it is more symmetrical. If you want it to create symmetrical, it's better, and the petals will also be equal. So now just repeat in all the 5 and they will look like this. Now once this work is done, you can just give a curve and bend to the petal ends. For the purpose you can use a fine brush which gives a very smooth effect. Just do it with this all the other petals also. Now the last one I have done it on the reverse side. I will just paste it on the reverse side. For the purpose I am using a thin brush. Now according to your own desired size which you want the flower to be, you can adjust the petals, or you can just remove any of the layer. The number of layers you want to add it for the flower and the petal shape, these two things you can change it according to your own choice. And even you can do one more thing where you can just flip the colors, like in alternate ways also you can just paste them, suppose one red, one orange, or one yellow. So it's completely on you how you want it to be. Now see, all the layers is been pasted, and now I'm just adding a little bit tea to it just to give it a little more natural effect. See, this way you can create the other flowers also. Now here I have just opted for a single color, but you can change it also. Now for creating the leaves also, you need a rectangular sheet, and for just fold it from the middle and cut it to get a desired leaf shape. Even you can shade them a bit with a yellow and green, or a little darker tone of blue also. Now assembling is your choice how you want it to be. Now you can even remove few flowers if you don't want them to be overcrowded or something. Now the color contrast, you can choose it or change it by going with a new background color. Now this work can be done in 2 days. Like the first day you just cut all the circles and the petal shapes, and second day you just color them a bit and then assemble it. Here I am using Fevicol to paste it, so if you have glue gun you can use that also. That's why it's taking little more time to stick, because the papers are a little stronger. I am pasting the flower first and then adjusting the leaf accordingly. You can try for a different placement of the flowers and the color combinations also. Do try it and send me the pics and the videos of your work. Thank you for watching it, and do share your work with me.